In today's video, you will learn how to remove blank pages in Microsoft Word. The first method is the most straightforward and works well for short documents. You can manually delete a blank page by clicking directly on the page you want to remove and pressing the delete key on your keyboard. In many cases, the blank page will disappear instantly. This approach is quick and easy, but it does require a bit of care. If you're not paying close attention, you might accidentally remove text or formatting you want to keep. In longer documents, this method can also become time-consuming since you may need to scroll carefully to locate every blank page. The second method gives you more control by displaying hidden formatting marks. When you enable paragraph marks, Word shows symbols that represent paragraph endings, page breaks, and section breaks. These symbols often explain why a blank page exists. Once they are visible, you can select the extra paragraph marks or page breaks that are rated, creating the blank space, and remove them using the delete or backspace keys. This method is especially helpful when a blank page is caused by hidden formatting rather than empty text, making it easier to see exactly what needs to be removed. The third method uses the navigation pane, which is ideal for longer documents. The navigation pane allows you to view all pages in your document as thumbnails. By switching to the page's view, you can quickly scroll through and spot any blank pages. When you find one, simply select it and press the delete key. This approach saves time and helps you avoid scrolling endlessly through a large document. And there you have it, 3 simple methods to remove blank pages from your documents. Whether you prefer a manual approach or a faster way to navigate, there is an option that fits your workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, reward us with a like. If this is your first time on our YouTube channel, we would be more than grateful to welcome you to our community, so hit the subscribe button to enjoy more videos and learn how to master Word. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.